Hey guys, this video is on how to fix your garden rake. So rather than throw this thing away, you can see what happened here. The epoxy gave way, and so or the glue, whatever they use, nothing just slides down in there. And I tried to pound it in there a couple times. It'll hold for a little bit, but it needs a bonding agent in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Belzona epoxy, 2-part epoxy. I'm gonna mix it together. Just slather a whole bunch in there and slap it in there. And so let's give it a shot. Stuff's about done. It's still good though. It's still moist. But I think this is going to be the last project that this Belzona is going to see. I've fixed a ton of stuff with this. Ooh, that lid's a little tough to get off. I got enough in there. Some black stuff on there. Again, I wouldn't normally take this and go in there with it, but this is it for this batch of Belzona. It's starting to get hard. Just gonna mix this all around. There we go. Mixed it up real good, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and slap a whole bunch on there. Now there's the head of the rake. Go ahead and put a bunch around there. Put a bunch down there too. When you're doing this stuff, any old epoxy will work too. Just because I'm using this doesn't mean this is what you have to use. But you can use any old epoxy. Whatever you got laying around. If you don't have any, Gorilla makes an epoxy too that's pretty good. Walmart, Wally's has some decent stuff for cheap, which is probably what I would have gone for had it not been having this laying around. I have to use 2 hands here. I'm going to shove a bunch down that hole. Got a bunch on the end of there. There we go. This baby, this is a lifetime fix here. Got that down there. Now since I have gloves on, I'm just going to go ahead and massage it around there. Give it a good flow. There we go. Let it dry overnight. This baby will not go anywhere, I guarantee it. Looks a little messy now, but you know, it's just a garden rake. So but we're giving this thing second life here. All right, there we go. We'll take a look at it tomorrow morning, see how it looks. Right, what I did is I went ahead and put a whole bunch around there too. So that way, if this thing ever gives down there, it should be good to go. This is how they should have done it in the first place. And then what I'll do is I can take and see how these things are like that. I'll take and pop those down a little bit. If I need to weld them, I can always weld them too if these things always ever fall off. So weld those back together. That one needs to be fixed. Just kind of pound them back into place. It's pretty malleable metal. So anyway, I think the problem will be definitely fixed doing this here. So let's check it out in the morning. All right, here we are the next morning. This is nice and dry and solid. So I could leave it gray, but I'm gonna go ahead and slap some black paint on it.